This interdisciplinary program involves an in-depth study of how the human body functions. The students will acquire knowledge of subcellular, cellular, and whole body mechanisms by which the human organism survives and interacts within its environment, both in health and disease. Career opportunities for graduates exist in medical, pharmaceutical, and biological research laboratories, the food and beverage industries, and in the education sector, including schools, universities of technology, and universities. Physiologists acquire skills that will enable them to observe, investigate, demonstrate, and report in accordance with the scientific methods on aspects of body function using human, animal, and computer models. This is the 3-year degree. Admission requirements for this degree involve a national senior certificate with English, life orientation, maths, and life sciences, as well as physical sciences, all at level 4. We will only consider the application if it is your first, second, or third choice only. The points required to gain entry into the degree are between 30 to 48.